Okay, guys, welcome to the Jetjanics channel and to the financial modeling course again. And today we are going to talk about amortization of the loan. Now we have an example here. For example, we have taken $1,000 from a bank, and uh, we are supposed to pay 7% interest on this 1,000 loan. Okay, the term of the loan are 6 years. Okay, which means that we are going to pay this 1,000 dollar in the 6 equal installment with the 7% interest payment. So in simple words, what will be our installment? The installment, 6 installments should be equal amount, and that will pay the 1,000 principal amount plus the 7% interest as well. So how are we going to calculate this in Excel? It's very easy, and just type the equal and then type PMT. Okay, now double click this PMT, and we have to provide this information to the Excel in order to calculate the payment amount. So first of all, we have to specify the rate, and that is the 7%. Click it, and after this comma, and after comma number of periods. Okay, which means the terms. So we are going to pay this loan and interest in 6 equal installment. So click this one, and again comma. Now I want you to pay me a bit attention, please, because after this I am going to specify the present value, which means the loan amount, but I will not just click on this one, the the principal amount, but before this I have to type minus here. Okay, and after this I will click it. Okay, if you didn't click, or if you didn't type this minus, then the Excel is gonna calculate something else for you. Okay, so for the principal amount, for the debt amount, we have to type minus before this value. Okay, now close the parenthesis and press enter. Okay, you see, if we pay 209.8 dollar per year, we will pay this amount and the interest of 7% as well. If you want to analyze either we have calculated the right amount or not, just scroll it down and come to the table I have constructed here. Okay, this is the year number 1. We have just principal at the beginning of the period. You see, it's 1,000. We have withdraw 1,000 from the bank, and payment at the end of the period we have pay $209.80, and this $209.8 we have $70 of interest liability. So from the 2009 and so on, because we have to pay 7% on the $1,000, that is 7% of $1,000 is equivalent to 70. So we will subtract this 70 from this 209, which means $139.80 we have paid the principal amount. And now at the end of the period 1, the principal amount or balance of the debt is 660.20. Okay, if you want to see the formula of all these calculations, you can just click formula tax. Okay, and this one you can just, you see, you can analyze it like this. And if you want to see the calculation of this one or this one, let me show you again this one as well. Formula tax, double click, and you can just click it like this. Okay, and I think we are okay. Just let me find something for you to make it very easy, so that you can understand it. Okay, so yeah, okay, formula for here, and now if you want to see this one, the formula for here. Okay, you can see the this cell formula is this one, and this cell formula is here. Okay, now you see the first year, second year, this one, you see The closing balance of first year is the opening balance of the second year. The closing balance of second year is the opening balance of third year. And you are coming a long way, and at the end of the sixth period you see the balance is zero, which means that this amount which we have calculated, which means the six equal installment will be $209.8. It will pay the 1000 debt plus the 7% interest is correct. This 209.8 is the correct amount of six installment. So it was about the amortization table and the installment amount calculation. I hope you got it and you understood it. If you like it, if you understood it, please subscribe to our channel for the upcoming videos on the financial modeling. Thank you guys, and see you in next video. Thank you.